Hey, and welcome back to our Sydney Summit. We're here today to talk about workshops. I'm your host Sean Ray, and joining me today is Ozzy and Adam. And specifically, we're going to talk about the Alexa workshop. Ozzy, I understand you're running the Alexa workshop. Can you give us a little bit of an overview?
So Alexa is a cloud-based service that is getting popularity between developers. So today with Adam, we did run a workshop. It has been more than 100 people in the room.
Over 100.
Yep. And they learned how to build an Alexa from scratch. So most of them didn't have any experience of how to build an Alexa skill. So the platform is doing the heavy lifting. We talked about how to design the voice messages to work as part of the skill. So we went through so many topics in the morning, and I'm very excited to just see how Adam is going to run the second half of the day, which is about CI/CD platform.
Yeah, what we thought we'd do is we would take the attendees from a base level of knowledge, building a skill, publishing a skill, understanding voice interfaces, and then what happens when you want to productionize that? So you need to actually take it into a best practices CI/CD pipeline. So you want to be able to make changes to your skill, and you want to be able to check your code into a code repo and have it automatically built and deployed using the awesome AWS Code Suite services. But more than that, what we're doing is we're creating an actual real-world application which makes use of Amazon Recognition, Amazon DynamoDB, Amazon S3, and many more services to actually create an object detector that allows you to hold up objects in front of a webcam and then ask Alexa, hey Alexa, what was the most detected object you saw? Or what was the last detected object you saw? So it really bridges between the real world and the Alexa skill itself.
Right, so we're taking it from basic, Alexa, never seen it before, so turn up to the workshop, and then all the way through to productionizing, integrating with the AWS ecosystem, other skills. Is this the first time we've run this type of workshop in one of these summits?
In the summit, yes, but before this, we did one seminar workshops for our audience in Melbourne, and it was received pretty well. That's why we decided to do the summit.
And I understand that people are currently on lunch, so they've had the morning to work through this. What have they learned already to get into the
So they learned about Alexa and the voices that we already have. They learned how to build a skill from scratch. They learned about the slot, how to persist information, or how to personalize a type of skill for their audiences. And they also know how to publish their skills. So there are a lot of things that they learn in half a day, and that's what fascinates me about Alexa, because you don't know anything of these things, and Alexa is doing everything. So it's pretty awesome, and I'm very excited to see what these guys come after this workshop, what type of experiences they add to Alexa.
Yeah, it's been pretty cool to see them, the smiles on their faces when they actually get their skill to work.
Yeah.
And thumbs up and high-fiving around the room. It's actually been pretty cool.
Okay, and what happens, after the workshop, can I publish the skill to my real Alexa sitting at home so I can actually use this?
Absolutely. Yeah, so in the workshop, we're actually using the tester built into the console, into the Alexa developer console. But there's no reason why you can't plug in your real device and, as part of the second part of the day, hold up a banana in front of the camera and ask Alexa what objects, and she'll be able to tell you that she saw a banana, which is pretty cool.
Okay, great. And so we're actually standing in the Alexa booth, which is different to the workshop, so you can come down, they've got swag here. You can come down and talk to the Alexa team about maybe building the skill or purchasing an Alexa device, and you can use that then to actually activate some of these skills that we're talking about here. We have a huge catalogue of skills, from everything from news services over to weather to finance, and so you can actually get an Alexa device and you can start to learn how to build your own published skills.
And we have another workshop on Thursday. If you miss out this one, join us. It's about 2:30 on Tuesday, so another workshop you can join in and enjoy it.
Okay, so if you're one of the 100 lucky people today, please come down at 2:30 on Thursday and join in for that workshop. Thank you very much. We'll cross back over to you.